What we call pencil lead isn't actually lead at all. It's graphite, which is a form of carbon. But why we call it lead is because lead pencils have a long history. We can see when we look at this bullet that lead works quite well as a pencil, but it's not advised to do so. And by analogy, something similar happens to coffee cups as your spoon swirls around while you're mixing your coffee. Some of the metal of the spoon gets scratched off inside the cup, and it can be a pain to get rid of it. Two simple ingredients: hydrogen peroxide and some type of abrasive bleach cleaner. I shouldn't have to say this, but your mileage may vary. So you may want to scrub a little bit harder than I do, or allow additional time for it to soak in. I can't remember for certain, but I think I learned this trick from some variation of an experiment that somebody on the channel, Applied Science is the channel. It's good. It's worth watching. And he did something like this to remove metal with stronger ingredients, but it's the same basic idea. But again, I offer no guarantees, and you do have to do a little bit of work, but it certainly seems to work better than just regular soap. Alright, so there's 30 seconds of scrubbing. Now I'll give it a rinse and show you how it turned out. Okay, it's not perfect, but it seems to work well enough for me to share this information with you. And speaking of which, my chemistry expertise is a little bit dated, so if you have any information as to why this works, or to what extent it really does work, share it with me in the comments. Okay, see you on the next topic.